In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to your Beehiiv account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up a Facebook pixel is an essential step for anyone looking to track user behavior and improve their advertising effectiveness on Facebook. With Beehiiv being a powerful platform for newsletter creation, adding your Facebook pixel enables you to better understand your audience and optimize your marketing strategies. So let's dive into the process together. To start, you'll want to log in to your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find all your settings. If you haven't created a Facebook pixel yet, we'll cover that first, but if you already have one, feel free to skip ahead. To create a new pixel, you'll need to head over to your Facebook Business Manager. If you haven't set that up, go to business.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook account. Once you're in, find the Events Manager section on the left-hand side. Click on that and you'll see the option to create a new pixel. It's really straightforward. Just click on the Connect Data Sources button, then select Web. Now you'll choose Facebook Pixel. Give your pixel a name that's relevant for tracking purposes. Something like Beehiiv Newsletter Pixel is a solid choice. After naming it, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your website URL. Type in the full URL of your Beehiiv landing page or newsletter page where you want to install this pixel. Click Continue and finish the setup process by following any additional prompts Facebook gives you to complete the pixel creation. Once your pixel is created, Facebook will provide you with a pixel ID. Make sure to copy this number as you'll need it for the next step. Now let's get back to Beehiiv. In your Beehiiv dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually found in the side menu. Click on that and then find the Integrations tab. This section allows you to connect various services to your Beehiiv account, including the Facebook pixel. Here you should see a field labeled Facebook Pixel ID. Go ahead and paste the pixel ID you copied from Facebook in that section. After pasting it, be sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that your pixel is properly integrated with your Beehiiv platform. Now that everything is saved, let's talk about verification. You'll want to ensure that your pixel is firing correctly. To do this, you can use the Facebook Pixel Helper, which is a Chrome extension. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Facebook Pixel Helper, and add it to your browser. Once the extension is installed, navigate back to your Beehiiv page where your pixel is set up. With the Facebook Pixel Helper active, you should see a small icon on your toolbar. Click on it, and the tool will check if your pixel is firing correctly when you refresh your Beehiiv page. If everything is working well, you'll see a confirmation of your pixel activity. That's it. You've successfully added a Facebook pixel to your Beehiiv account. By doing this, you're now able to collect data on your audience's interactions, helping you optimize your Facebook ad campaigns effectively. To wrap up, remember that tracking your audience's behaviors through the Facebook pixel is key for enriching your marketing insights and strategies. It can help you understand what content your subscribers love and how to engage them better in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you'll be back for more tips and tricks about digital marketing and content creation. Happy tracking!